Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for July 16th, 2012. It is currently 8:17 a.m. As you can see throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, we're already pushing into the lower to mid 70s with a dew point around 70 degrees. Of course, over portions of the interior like northwestern New Jersey and northeastern Pennsylvania, should I say, temperatures are still in the mid to upper 60s, but our dew points are also in the mid to upper 60s. So what did we see this morning? Plenty of hot and humid conditions on the way, and another threat for thunderstorms once again. So let's take a look at how much moisture is actually in the atmosphere. Well, we have a little bit less moisture than what we had yesterday morning. And we could say that because the potential rainfall amounts in the atmosphere, the precipitable water amounts in the atmosphere are a little bit lower. We're ranging anywhere from 1.5 inches to close to 2 inches over extreme southern New Jersey. Yesterday, this area of high moisture level content was actually sitting right over the northern mid-Atlantic. That supported widespread heavy downpours from these showers and a few isolated severe thunderstorms. For the most part, though, we are dealing with rather humid weather conditions, even with the slightly drier air in the forecast area. And when we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, basically what we have is a Bermuda high pressure system in control at 500 millibars. And we have all these disturbances, like this strong one right here, and these disturbances right here over the eastern Great Lakes, that are rotating around this upper level ridge. And as a result, what we're seeing are these disturbances producing at times widespread showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. And that's going to continue to be a threat each afternoon for today, tomorrow, and of course on Wednesday. And then a cold front, which is located right here, right now, will move through the northern mid-Atlantic Wednesday evening into Thursday morning with widespread showers and thunderstorms, and a few of those thunderstorms could be severe. So basically what we saw yesterday, we're going to see today, Tuesday, and again on Wednesday. Now, not every day is going to feature widespread thunderstorms, but the potential will be there because of these disturbances. Outside of the potential for thunderstorms will be the very hot and humid weather conditions. Now, the heat will not get to the point that we saw a couple of weeks ago where temperatures pushed around 99 to 100 degrees. But we are looking for temperatures to range anywhere from 90 to 95, and with dew points in the 70s, that's going to easily support a heat index pushing to or possibly even over 100 degrees in many locations. Basically, the best way to describe this air mass in place is tropical. You're basically, when you're walking outside, walking into a wall of humid air, and you're going to feel it because it is just going to feel horrible outside. But at least it won't be all that bad in consideration to at least it's not 100 degrees with this high humidity, which we saw a couple of weeks ago. So we are seeing definitely a very hot and humid summer pattern in place. In the infrared satellite picture, you can see we're pretty much clearing out for the most part right now. There is a few areas of fog to deal with, but overall, for the most part, we're dealing with scattered cloud cover today. Again, we're going to see exactly what's going to happen with these disturbances, like this one over the Great Lakes, as it dives south and east, could produce a few showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon and during the evening hours. Moving into the forecast using the European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. Once again, we're dealing with this Bermuda high pattern in place, and that's going to remain in place through Wednesday. Now, Wednesday evening into Thursday, you can see this trough starting to dig further south into the northern mid-Atlantic with a powerful cold front moving through. What that's going to basically support is a basic knockdown of temperatures back towards normal. We're going to see a reduction in humidity by Thursday afternoon, and our temperatures will start to back off towards normal, ranging anywhere from the upper 80s to lower 90s on Thursday. And then as we move forward through the rest of the week into, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have high pressure in control, a Canadian high pressure system, and that high pressure system is going to bring with it scattered cloud cover and temperatures ranging in the lower to mid 80s for highs, and humidity very low, which will allow our temperatures to fall in the morning into the upper 50s to lower 60s. So we're going to be dealing with this hot and humid sticky weather pattern all the way until about Thursday morning, and from Thursday afternoon all the way on through this upcoming weekend, much lower humidity, very pleasant weather conditions for next weekend will be in place with high pressure in full control. Unfortunately, as we look at the long-range weather pattern, that does not look like it's going to remain in place. Unfortunately, the hot and humid weather conditions will return for next week, and when it does, temperatures will easily push into the 90s once again. That is your forecast for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.